Hello friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button right now and complete my 2K subscriber. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Now let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies in a crypto market. As you can see here, the change in the cryptocurrencies of Cardano cryptocurrencies market, as you can see here, the change is in positive 0.95% change in the Cardano cryptocurrencies in the previous 1 hour. Last 1 hour in the high price in the last 1 hour of Cardano in the crypto market is $1.21 is the high price of Cardano in the crypto market. Now as you can see here, the chart of the Cardano, so it's continuously jumping upward. As you can see here, it's continuously jumping upward, so it's a best time to invest in a Cardano and be make a good profit with the Cardano crypto in a cryptocurrencies market. That is the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies in a last 1 hour. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. What's going in the previous 2 hour in the cryptocurrency market of Cardano. It's loading, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates. As you can see here, the change is in positive the change is in negative in the previous 2 hour, but in the last 1 hour they are start jumping upward, as you can see on the graph. So the change is in previous 2 hour is negative 0.14 percent change in the previous 2 hour. In the high price in the previous 2 hour is $1.21, as you can see here on the graph of the Cardano cryptocurrency. So the previous 1 hour they are falling down, but in the previous last 1 hour they are jumping upward. So it's the best time to buy a Cardano cryptocurrencies and make a good profit by Cardano in the cryptocurrencies market. It is the live price prediction of previous 2 hour you are watching now. Click the subscribe button right now for more news and updates about cryptocurrencies market.